Hello guys from my street Iacopelli and Zoe Iacopelli. How are you guys? Say hi to everyone. Don't be shy. Guys, today of course it's gonna be so nice and beautiful video because like always it's gonna be #1 video. Please watch until the end, subscribe. So guys, like you can see here, I'm with my daughter and it's gonna be hard to travel this time, so little. So you know, if you have kids, you understand. It's so hard to travel. So that's why today I'm sending my friends Giovanni to a very far away city, Tokyo, guys. I'm going to Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm going to show you who got the best pizza in Tokyo, and I can't wait to see your comment below and see what you think about this pizza, because those are two real special pizza. So enjoy and watch until the end and make sure to subscribe. Right? And smash it. Papa, metti like. Well, whatever. Watch until the end.
Thank you so much, Vito, for sending me here in Tokyo. Okay, you want to tell me that is a good pizza here in Tokyo, Japan?
Yes, Giovanni, you'll see. I know two friends of mine, they are in Tokyo, so you have to go to this pizza place. Go ahead and show me what you got this time, because it's so far away. Definitely for me it was hard to get to Tokyo, and then check it out.
Italian pizza? You sure, Vito? You sure?
Of course I'm sure, Giovanni. I can tell you for sure where you can find the best pizza in the town.
If you don't know me, I'm Giovanni and I have a channel called Italian Exploring Food, and I travel around the world to find the best pizza, the best Italian food, why not the iconic food from all of the world. If you want to follow me, just go into the description. Me and Vito have a lot of plans together, so subscribe to our channel. So let's get ready for this new video.
Yes, like Giovanni said, go ahead and subscribe. It's totally free. Now enjoy the video.
In the last 2 nights I visited the most two famous Italian kind of pizza here in Tokyo that Vito told me. The first one was Pizzeria da Peppe Stacca. Let's see it.
Pizzeria Stacca. That means pizzeria, it's here. That's a fun name.
So the first pizzeria that Vito sent us is under the Tokyo Tower, is Pizzeria da Peppe Stacca. It's kind of awkward name, but let's see if it's a worth pizza here in Tokyo. I really trust Vito Iacopelli because he always sends me to good pizzeria, and I really need a good pizza here in Tokyo. Trust me, after 25 days here, I really need that.
Giovanni, of course, and you, of course, trust me, because in this channel and with my friend Italian Exploring Food, we are going to show you the best of the best all around the world.
The smell is Napoli. Okay, here in this pizzeria, it seems like to be in Naples. We are in Naples right now. I think the owner goes for Naples. And of course, bubbles for start. This is how we do in Naples. Appetizer. The place is full of Italian because the owner makes his own community here in Japan, in Tokyo. Every Italian that live in Japan come here to eat the pizza. So I think the pizza will be really good. This is the appetizer.
Wow, guys, did you see this burrata, this appetizer? It's outstanding. Don't even in Naples they make it like that. Nice. I can't believe in Tokyo you can find so much good food. Take a look of what is next.
Is the burrata inside. Home, Italy.
Let's go! Facciamo una bella pizza Don Salvo, è una specie di stella.
Okay guys, did you see here in this how he's stretching? He stretched it 100% with the semolina, and then he got these special boxes that I never saw it. I'm super excited to show you his style of pizza, because this is gonna be amazing. Guys, like you can see here, this guy is making a star-shaped pizza, so pay attention exactly how he does it, and make sure if you do this at home, go ahead and tag me, so don't forget that.
Ci mettiamo del salame piccante, poi ricotta. Chiudiamo gli angoli. Andiamo a fare una margherita con bufala al centro. Basilico, pomodorini, un po' di parmigiano e olio. E voilà, andiamo in cottura.
Guys, like you can see, the oven is a really low flame, and then pay attention where he put the pizza in. He put the pizza right in front. That's where you cook the calzone and the pizza folded. Every time, to be able to cook it all the way, you have to cook the pizza in front of the pizza oven with the low flame. Wow, guys, I mean, did you see this pizza? Outstanding, out of this world. Even better than mine. It looks so amazing. My God.
So, this is a margherita, and in the corner there is a ricotta and salami. Let's try it. The dough is perfect. Best pizza by far. Look at this.
Giovanni, please, you make me so hungry right now. I'm so jealous of you that you eat this pizza because it looks outstanding, out of this world. I can't wait the next one.
And now the second pizza.
E voilà. Mozzarella e andiamo in cottura. Prego. Questa è una pizza dedicata ai giapponesi. Si chiama JP Margherita. È una pizza della vecchia bandiera del Giappone.
Guys, like you can see here, you got more high flame. And this is gonna make the crust go high and go more up. And then it's gonna have the nice texture, like I always say, soft and crunchy in the same time. That's very important to have the right flame. That's the right flame.
Riduzione di pomodoro rosso. Una piccola foglia di basilico e andiamo a tavola. Questa pizza la dedico a un mio amico, a Vito Iacopelli. Vito, questa voglio avere in America questa pizza. Guarda qua, olio al basilico.
Okay, guys, like you can see, this guy is putting all the topping, about all the topping outside, because to give it a nice explosion of flavors. Because when you are don't cook them, it's not gonna blend with everything, and then you're gonna really taste the different of flavors.
This is the Japan pizza from Pepe. Look at the dough, the air inside. Vito would be proud. So sweet. This one is special, better than the last pizza. I love this. The dough is perfect. The basilic oil is really perfect with the sweetness of the tomatoes. Good job, Pepe. Good job. So here we are, Vito. You sent me to a really good pizzeria. I didn't believe that could be a really Napolitan pizza, a really Napolitan place here in Tokyo, so far from Italy. But I loved this dinner. The pizza dough was perfect. It was for an Italian taste, but also for a Japanese taste. So it was a perfect combo. I love this pizza. Good job, Vito.
Giovanni, I knew it that you're gonna love this pizza because you are the biggest food vlogger in Italy, and if you say that it's good, that means that it's good. So I'm glad that you like it, and wait to see the next one because it's gonna be super interesting, and probably you inside there, probably you know this guy.
That was only the first one, but last night I visited the most famous pizza here in Tokyo. If you haven't seen the series on Netflix, Ugly Delicious, in the first episode they talk about the best pizza in the world, and it's in Tokyo. You sure you're telling this in Italian? The name of the pizza is Seirinkan, is here in Tokyo, and the chef is Susuma Kakinuma.
Guys, the name definitely is not Italian. It's a Seirinkan. I don't even know how it was supposed to be pronounced, Seirinkan. But probably if you watch Netflix, you guys saw this guy. This guy is really passionate, and you can see from this what he's about to make. You can see that if when you put passion on something, you can make it really good. Because trust me, this is gonna be super special. Guys, like you can see what I say, I mean passion. passion, that means that this guy, even in Tokyo, he's got the wood boxes. So he's saving the dough balls in the wood boxes. My grandfather used to put the dough balls in the wood boxes. So means already if I see something like that, I know 100% that the pizza is fabulous. And of course, he's gonna use the wood peel. This guy is amazing. Like you can see, he put all the ingredients in the center of the pizza. A lot of olive oil, like the basil, whole basil, he break it on the pizza. This is a technique that they use really old school in Naples. And then also he put the oregano. That's a marinara pizza, the classic marinara pizza, really how they make it in the center of Naples, like old school. Guys, like you can see, the oven is 100% at temperature because all the bricks are all in the same color. So that means that the oven is a really high temperature.
We tried this pizza a few days ago and I can say that this guy is a genius. The chef himself made us our pizza and all of the ingredients is local. It's from Japan because he said the best ingredient for a pizza if you are in Japan is not the Italian one, it's the fresh one. So you take local flour, local stuff, just to make his perfect pizza. He only has two kinds of pizza, marinara and margherita.
Guys, this guy is really old school Naples style pizza because he's making just two pizzas, marinara and margherita. Only in the center of Naples you can find something like that. Probably he's really passionate about pizza.
Maybe one of the best pizza I ever tried around the world, except from Italy. If you mind to try this pizza and come to Tokyo, just make a reservation to be sure to be seated because it's so hard, it's always full, because of course if you make a good pizza you have a lot of people that want to eat it. This chef is the Japanese version of Vito Iacopelli, for sure. He's a genius and I love this pizza so much. I can't say about this pizza that something could be better because the taste was perfect, the dough was perfect. Maybe has just to be a little more leavening, just a little bit, but the rest was perfect. I can totally say it's a good pizza to try for an Italian. Vito, you are sending me around the world. This time I was in Tokyo, but now, right now, I'm taking my luggage to Los Angeles right now. Vito, I'm coming for you because we are going to do a lot of video in my channel and in your channel together.
Giovanni, you know, my door is open. I'm waiting for you because we are going to make for real something outstanding. 4 or 5 videos, the time that Giovanni is here, I'm gonna bring this guy to the best pizzeria in Los Angeles and I'm going to show him who got the best slice of pizza in Los Angeles area. So it's gonna be so nice and I can't wait to show you guys what's next with this guy. So I'm waiting for you, Giovanni, I'm waiting for you.
I'm Giovanni Fois from Italian Exploring Food, and if you want to follow me, just go into the link in the description and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Vito, so much.
And of course, guys, this was everything. And then please tell me in the comment if you really love this video, if you really like this concept, and a lot of things is coming out soon on my channel. And then go ahead, subscribe to both channels, links are in the description, and leave a comment which one is better, the first or the second pizza. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Ciao.